Welcome back to Next Gen Mobility, where we explore the future of cars today. In this episode, we're diving into the 2025 Toyota Century, Japan's ultimate luxury flagship, reimagined for the modern age. Let's start with the exterior. The 2025 Century presents a bold, commanding presence on the road. Toyota has shifted from its traditional limousine silhouette to a more SUV-inspired form, without losing its royal charm. The upright front fascia is dominated by a massive chrome grille, flanked by slim, jewel-like LED headlights that give it a regal yet modern look. The long, horizontal proportions are punctuated by subtle character lines that stretch across the body, exuding sophistication and understated power. And let's not forget those 20-inch polished alloy wheels, which add a subtle touch of flash to an otherwise refined package. Around the rear, you'll notice full-width LED taillights that blend seamlessly into the bodywork, offering a futuristic signature light display at night. The rear doors, which open electronically in a coach-style fashion, make a dramatic entrance befitting this flagship cruiser. Now, let's step inside the 2025 Century and explore the interior. Once inside, you're enveloped in a world of Japanese craftsmanship and cutting-edge luxury. Every surface is wrapped in the highest quality materials, from rich wool blend upholstery to handcrafted wood accents sourced from sustainable forests. The seats are fully power adjustable with ventilation, massage functions, and even ottomans in the rear for first-class comfort. There's a large, floating OLED infotainment screen up front, while rear passengers enjoy their own entertainment suite with personal displays, a refrigerated console, and ambient lighting that adapts to your mood. Noise insulation is so advanced, it feels like the world outside simply vanishes the moment the door is closed. Performance-wise, the new Century is powered by a 3.5-liter V6 plug-in hybrid system, paired with all-wheel drive for smooth, silent acceleration. It delivers refined power with a focus on comfort, not speed, gliding over the road with the poise of a true luxury vehicle. Regenerative braking, adaptive air suspension, and Toyota's latest driver assistance systems make this one of the most serene and intelligent rides available today. A quick dive into its history. The Century debuted in 1967 as a chauffeur-driven sedan for Japan's elite. Over the decades, it remained an icon of restrained luxury, untouched by trends and built for dignity over showiness. The 2025 model evolves that legacy, blending tradition with futuristic styling and sustainable innovation. So, is the 2025 Toyota Century the pinnacle of Japanese luxury for the new era? We think so. It's bold, elegant, and unlike anything else on the road. That's it for today's review here on Next Gen Mobility. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our next deep dive into the cars of tomorrow. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.